Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. And we've been talking about making face masks, right? We've tested quite a few different kinds of masks, and the one that we liked the most was this one. We thought this one was the easiest one to make using a sewing machine. So pay attention to this tutorial, and remember, the challenge here is not only to make a mask for yourself, but also to make one to donate. So what do you think? Are you up for this challenge? Here's a list of the materials you're going to need. 2 pieces of fabric, the mask template, elastic band, sewing thread, a sewing machine, and scissors. Print the template and cut it out. Put the template over the fabric you want to cut. Remember, you need to cut 2 pieces. Make the lines according to the template. This template is for an average adult. To make a mask for a child, you can reduce it in about 20%. Fold the fabric in half and sew over the line you drew. You can sew back a little bit to make sure everything is secure in place. Don't forget that you have to repeat the same process on the bottom. You will do the same thing to the other piece of fabric. Then align the 2 pieces together with the inside out. You're going to sew with a margin of approximately 1 centimeter. You can sew the top part and the bottom part as well. Once you have finished sewing, you are going to make small cuts at the curved part. This is to help the mask fit nicely to your face. When you have finished doing that, you are going to turn the mask inside out. Then fold the sides twice, leaving approximately 1.5 centimeters so you can get the elastic through. And then you can sew the sides. You can sew it twice just to make sure that this piece is very well sewed. This is the part of the mask that will take the most stress. Once you have finished sewing, you can put the elastics through the sides. This is what your mask should look like. Remember that the pointy part is for your nose. We are going to learn how to customize our masks in another tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you soon!